Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to be safe on Omegle. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Omegle is an online service that allows you to talk to strangers, which is used for anonymously striking up random conversations online. However, you don't want to reveal anything about your private information to the unknown stranger that you walk across on the platform. Since with Omegle, people don't have to reveal details, so it can also be a main ground for unsavory behaviors. Since the platform does not collect any kind of a detail of the users on the app, since it matches you with anonymous people along the way, it is your responsibility to stick to the safe side while using Omegle. So, the first thing to keep in mind is to not share any personal details to anyone. Also, do not share any social media profiles, for example, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, or any kind of a social media profiles should not be shared with the other person, since the social media profiles contain information about places you visited, who you are friends with, and other information. Also, do not visit any external links sent by the participant on the other end, since they might be trying to phish you by sending you to a page which will attempt you to inject malware into your system. Also, you should not ever agree to meet anyone in person. Also, if you ever feel uncomfortable with the person on the other end, then you can simply press the stop button at the bottom left and click on the button one more time in order to disconnect from the chat. Those were some of the tips you could use in order to be safe while using Omegle online platform. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.